And welcome back to the Morning Blend, where it is Insurance 101 with Sovereign Select. Well, there are many benefits out there available to you, but you might not be aware of all of them.
That's right. Joining us now is Jerry Wilson. He is an independent agent with Sovereign Select, and the help that he can help you shop around a wide array of products to meet your own specific health insurance needs. Right, Jerry?
That's correct, Molly and Tiffany. So glad to be with you again.
Good morning.
Good to have you here. I mean, this is a thing. People really kind of need to know a little bit about what you do, what you offer, but that's the basis, is that you can look at the whole array. You're a broker.
That's correct. You know, Sovereign Select is a broker, independent broker. We say we offer independent people independent solutions.
Love it.
And we work with over 30 companies to provide them the Medicare choices that they need in order to enroll in the right program. And we'll custom fit any program, our program, to fit them for their particular needs.
Love it.
I think that's really cool. One of the things we wanted to ask you about is a forward health card and a Medicare ID card.
Yes.
Are people familiar with those terms and those cards?
You know, a lot of people, and we've got them up on the screen there.
Mm-hmm.
The forward card is the Medicare card. So if a person is enrolled in Medicare, they have two cards. They have the Medicaid for Medicaid. They have the forward health card, and then they also have their Medicare card. And they're what we call in the industry duals.
Okay.
So they have Medicare and Medicaid. So they get all the benefits of both programs. So a lot of times when you look at that, they're going to be the individuals that they have, if they're enrolled in a dual program, they have the full benefits of zero premiums, zero deductibles, and there's no cost to them for these programs. And what's so amazing is that you offered, you brought up the teaser at the beginning where you said like only 4% of the people in Wisconsin know about this.
Yeah.
But we want to let the cat out the bag this morning. And let everybody, I wish we had wings to give to them, but but we want to be able to offer them, just a no-cost consultation where they come in and they sit down and talk to us and say, hey, if they have that forward card and that Medicare card, they're eligible for a lot of extras, and they qualify for them already. So there's nothing they have to do to qualify, just simply enroll in the right program. And people might be saying, well, am I eligible to do this?
Right.
Because they're duals, they can enroll, they have a special enrollment where they can take advantage of both of those programs.
And I think that's what gets so confusing to people is they just kind of get it set and then they're not even aware of all the benefits that they get. And that's what you really do when you meet with people. Another thing that a lot of people don't understand is the low income subsidy, right?
That's huge.
And that's huge. And that can really help people pay for many things.
I was watching the national news this morning, the Today Show. I hope I can say it on Channel 4.
Yeah.
I was watching it, and even now, and I said, boy, just another reason to make sure you're reviewing your plan, reviewing your drug plan, because there's a new, the FDA approved a new generic inhaler.
I saw that.
That's gonna really, that cost is gonna be substantially less. And if you're not reviewing your plan and reviewing your prescription drug plan, you're gonna be saying, wow, I can't afford my drugs. Well, if you're not meeting with a professional like me or our team at Sovereign Select, you're not taking advantage of that really good cost savings that we can provide you.
Yeah.
A lot of people turning 65 every month. What do you suggest that they do? Because they don't have to necessarily worry about that open enrollment period. Because if you're new, new to turning 65, then you have options, right?
You have what's called an initial enrollment period. So you get to really just kind of, Tom always says, you get to reset.
Yeah.
You hit the reset button and you're able to stop and say, hey, I've got my employer coverage that I have here. If I'm going to continue to work, do I stay on that plan? Or do I look at if I've got the retiree health plan, is that really the best plan for me? Or if I have no health insurance at all, I may really want to look at Medicare, because those drug costs, if we have to go out and buy our drugs on our own, there's some assistance there. And again, when it comes to those duals, those Medicare and Medicaid eligible people who are already qualified, they may be missing some benefit, leaving, as we say, money on the table.
Yeah, nobody wants to do that. Here's the thing, you know, you talked about your no-cost consultations. I know you'll go to people where they can meet with you, but you also have this Road to Medicare.
Yes.
It's coming up Thursday the 12th. It's at 10 a.m. What's covered in that?
What's covered in that? We walk through the ABCs of Medicare. We explain what the original Medicare is. We explain what the Medicare Advantage program is. We also explain the different options with supplements, Medicare supplements. So we will take and we do an overview, and there's no selling that takes place there. It's a free it's educational.
It's free and purely
and I hear, if you know, we all bring great treats to that. So if nothing else, you want to come for, you know, come for the free treats and get educated and have a good time, you know, at Sovereign Select. Now, you know, one of the things, if I could say real quickly, not only you know, do we do the Road to Medicare at our offices, but we've really had an opportunity, you know, because of your show, we've had an opportunity to expand our reach. And we're able to go out, and people are saying, whether you have a civic group or someone that, you know, like a church group, you know, we go to them. And if I could, on Valentine's Day, I had the chance to visit the Milwaukee Rescue Mission, their location on 15th and Center, and they did a seniors movie and brunch.
Cute.
And I just want to give a big shout out and say to the people at the Rescue Mission, thank you. And we're willing, you know, Sovereign Select, myself, Tom, and the other agents will come to you if you have a special event, and we'll meet you there.
I love it.
How you do it.
Just get in touch with them. You'll ride up on your Harley. There you are, the Road to Medicare.
That's right.
The next one is Thursday, March 12th at 10 a.m. It's at your Brookfield location, which is on 124th Street. Here's how you can get in touch with Jerry. Call him at 262-222-2872, or you can go to selectjerry.com too. Great to see you.
Jerry.
All right,
Good
great
to
to
see
be
you.
with both of you, and have
Thank
a
you
good
so
day.
much.
And
You too.
love your show and just what you do here. Thank you for having Sovereign Select again.
Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you.